Monsters rocking in the garden. Got his sun cream on. We've been planting some nice foxgloves. Well, they're kind of like foxgloves, but they're not so toxic. Those bluebells, they never used to be here. They have never grown here. I have lived here for 5 years, and I've never had bluebells in my garden once. So hello there, Faye. Hello. So in return, I planted them some nice flowers. Please do not touch. And that's my little fire pit, which is actually brand new, but it looks rusted as anything. Yeah. Little Shmoo, he's got his sun cream on and he's chilling. Chilling, mama. Yeah.